Well, guys, what a 24 hours I've had. Absolutely shocking. What us mechanics, and most trades go through this, because I work for most tradespeople with being a noir specialist. What I've gone through in the past 24 hours was absolutely disgusting. The extent that people will go to scam a family-run business, and this has happened loads and loads and loads of times, and people think they can bully up and come up with ways on the internet to try and get out of paying us or ripping us off or giving us a bad name, and we're getting pretty damn fed up of it, to be honest with you. Right, look at this next trick that a customer has tried on us, and just watch this video, guys.
What's this?
I don't know, he lives here.
This is a joke, this. I'm not happy at all.
So,
A false report of a crime here.
before you say anything, I've got no involvement in the investigation whatsoever.
Yeah, well, it's
alright?
false report. They should have done for
Alright,
that.
just listen to them.
Who's the most amazing person for the investigation?
Huh?
Who's the
Off the top of my head, I don't know. Right, but we're from the local neighbourhood team, okay? It's a sergeant that's...
We've got proof.
Let me
We've got
finish.
proof,
Let me
haven't
finish
we?
saying what I'm saying. It's a sergeant that's come down here and just asked if anyone's got any local knowledge about it. Because we're local officers, we know how to access here and stuff like that, alright? So we've come down and given them a...
I'm under arrest. I'm under arrest for what? For what? For what? For what? Nerf, you arrested. Got it. Got it. Look, what have I done? I fixed the customer's car for free of charge, and you...
Yeah. We told the customer a week and a half ago that it was completed. They've not got
Where's
back
the
in
car
contact
going?
with us. Kyle.
Can't give up. Yeah, we've got evidence.
but-
We've tried ringing them, haven't
I've
we?
got proof on my phone.
We messaged them, we've got a website, we've emailed them, I tell them it was completed.
Then you've got the let us go police station, let go calm down now, go to police station, show them all the evidence.
It's disgusting what people put a mechanics through. Put it this way, I've got a YouTube channel with nearly 22,000 subscribers, and this will go to them. It's 22,000 subscribers. They'll all learn about this. It's
Oh, it's got a police
disgusting.
compound.
Evidence is party, this is what's done.
Yeah, I know, it's disgusting.
I'm just a working man.
Oh, here you go, guys.
Get this right.
Oh, come on, you could have skidded your wheels as well.
That's when it's all resolved. That's where it will be.
Alright,
You
cheers.
know where it is, we
Yeah.
know who you are.
Yeah. So. Well, it made it life easier getting the key to get it out, and obviously because we've got a key, and I'll take my number outside. They're just responsible with that. They're just responsible.
Did you see that one?
Somebody pressed the
Armed units! Kyle, are they daft? We've got armed units.
What it is, that little knobhead there also counts with mechanics.
Yeah, so
Only,
just that's what it'll be when you and not because obviously we've got a key. He's got a key. He wants to drive you off road.
This is out to all the mechanics out there. All the mechanics will get ripped off. Well done, guys. You support us, lad. Support us.
I've stolen his car, I've got a key.
Why don't you install it and fix it?
Yeah, look.
Well done, guys.
Take a false allegation.
Mechanics.
Don't pay a fucking working family.
Anything to do with him?
Yeah.
Right, walk off.
We don't need to walk off. We don't need to walk
Oh,
off.
yeah.
It's a public premises we can stay in. It's a public
Don't tell
premises.
them. Put it on YouTube tonight.
What are you doing with him now?
We're not doing
What are you
anything.
doing now then?
We're discussing how this person has reported a stolen vehicle when it,
Right.
so we stole it to fix it to give him it back. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Need armed units as well.
Yeah.
So
This is mechanics.
Right.
We've tried contacting customers over the week. We've got proof.
Well, it's been reported as stolen, hasn't it? So we have to treat it as stolen.
Well, it isn't, and it's disgusting. I hope they get charged for this. I hope they get charged.
Yeah, we've got full proof.
What do the police press this panic code or something? Why don't police show up?
I hope to God they get charged for it.
Press this panic code.
There you go, that went there. It's disgusting.
I'm
Just try to go for profit.
I'm speechless.
Well, but no, it's alright. It's not good
Yeah. I'll put it this way. The company, nobody wants to keep them where they are.
Fly up. Look, you see X5 fly up as well.
All because they owe a bill.
It is literally because they don't want to pay.
Yeah.
Why do a handbrake turn as well? Make it more dramatic. Please, fine.
Oh my God.
Or for one person. Like,
Full on sausage.
we've got 5 police cars and a police van.
I'm doing it. You sausage.
Right, what? I think it just sounds like a big massive misunderstanding, to be
Yeah,
honest.
it does to
I think
me.
it's being made out to be a massive scene, and it was literally just a case of misidentification.
Over the bill.
I mean, there was an unmarked car just pulled up, 2 traffic X5s, these 2.
No, this is armed police. What is armed police doing here? And you get the SU-19s out as well.
So guys, what did you think to that? Comment in the links below, you know. Honest day's pay, and they're getting away with it without paying us. And I've got to take them through the county court system. But there's also, because it's a false report, I can report them for a crime that never was a crime. Because you can see the paperwork here, notification, cancellation of bail, cancellation of release, not basically, they cancelled everything. I'm not under investigation. I've not done anything wrong other than repair a customer's car and worked on it for 4 days, the 3 of us. And look at the charge, guys. Theft of motor vehicle. How on earth could I have stolen a customer's vehicle, repaired it free of charge, and then just give them it back? Does that really work like that? I don't bloody think so. So, I thought I was really running out of content for this channel, but trust me, I'm going to be knocking on a few doors in the near future, because I am going to start asking people straight to the face what the problem is. I do also accept, I'm not perfect, I have made some mistakes. If you need my help and assistance at all to sort anything out, or if you've got an issue, please get in touch via email to westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Make us aware of your situation, because if we don't know, we can't help you. Okay? Other than that, I've been in cells about 18, 19 hours. I don't smell prey. I'm off for a shower. I'm going to have a beer. Happy holidays, guys. Thanks for watching. Come again. Subscribe for more.